seachtú, how are you? Mary Ellen Shaw, and I'm here on my 7th day of meditation of machnamh on seachtú law, the 7th day. Bronzies, sorry, I didn't post a video yesterday. It was my daughter's birthday, Brethla, inniú, my daughter's birthday, and so I did do, of course, a meditation, but I didn't record it. Is Moonshore machnamh Misha. I am a meditation teacher, and I am meditating every day for 30 days, trethain for 30 days, for seachtú, for peace. Because at times I think in this world we can feel quite hopeless and quite helpless, and for me, I know when I sit and meditate and find peace in my own heart, I send that out to the world. So I'm creating a inniú, a new habit. I'm meditating every day from Beyond Trethain, which is the Celtic Wheel Festival that happens in May, the whole way right through to the next part of the Celtic Wheel, summer solstice, green stad on Tabhair. And I'm also having an event at the for green stad on Tabhair, and that is on Thursday the 26th of June at the Irish Cultural Centre at 7:30. Gaeilge as I do a machnamh for seachtú, peace. I always do an emotions check when I come out of meditation. That's the main feelings that I notice that I feel when I come out of meditation is the feeling of hope. And I think in the world today we definitely need to feel hope and not despair. So I want to also send you out another big feeling